Alright, so welcome to the recorded tutorial on calculating present value using Excel. In this case, we have this information. Okay, we have 700,000 face value bonds. We're supposed to, or we had issued 6% per annum, and then we have 3-year term bonds. Okay, so the prevailing rate is 7% per annum, and interest payment is or will be done at year end. Alright, so we will be calculating the present value using Excel. So we will extract the information here. We have the face value of 700,000. We have 6% nominal interest rate, and then 7% the market rate. The number of periods or series will be 3 years. So using this information, we will extract here. So these are the information. Okay. To get the annual interest payment, that will be that 700,000 multiplied by 6%. Now, in calculating present value, the calculation will be like this, okay, in formula. But in Excel, what you can do is you can just type equal sign PV and then bracket. Rate, you use the market rate, and then get a comma, and then number of periods, which will be 3, and then PMT or the payment, supposedly this one, but you leave it 0 because we're trying to calculate for the principal amount, and then comma, and then put a negative FV here, then bracket. Alright, so the issue price will be the sum of the present value and then the present value of an annuity of the interest. That we will do later on. Alternatively, what you can do is you can do like this: formulas, and then financial, then scroll up, find PV, and you will be given this. Okay, so the rate is 6%. Sorry, 7%. Then per is 3, as you can see there. Payment, we leave it. Future value, that should be negative 700,000. Then okay, you will get the same, right? For present value of an annuity, same, you have equal signs, PV, okay, parenthesis, the rate is 7%, then series this one, then PMT is PMT is the payment 42, and then 0, okay, for future value. By the way, you make it negative here. Alright, so you get the sum, you will have the issue price. Okay. Alternatively, what you can do is equal to calculate for the present value of an annuity. You can do the alternative. Okay, you go to formula, again formula, financial, present value or PV. Right, so rate is 7%. The periods will be 3. Payment is 42,000. Okay, you make it negative. Okay, right. So that's the issue price. So that's the alternative way. So this is the issue price of the bonds. Right. Thank you for listening and watching the tutorial session. I hope you learned something.